Today I'm going to show you how to find the ID for a lesson that you might want to borrow or steal or share with someone else. So we're going to go up to Manage Courses. You're going to want to search for the course you know the lesson might be in. So I'm going to go to one of my multiplication ones. This can help you, the sort by box, get the ones that have been created the most recent. And it'll populate the newest ones. So I am going to look at multiplication and division 14. Okay, so this is your course building area. So if I want to find my ID, I'm going to click on this View button, click Course Map. This takes a minute to load sometimes, the course map. Once your course map loads, you're going to hit the Show Links and IDs box. And the IDs will show up for the entire lesson. So here is my first lesson in my unit's ID. It says Lesson 1, Numbers and Operations in Base 10. Here is the ID. It has my whole course. Here's my practice page 1 ID. Here is practice page 2 ID, practice page 3, and then once you have the ID that you want, say I want to put this practice page back into my course, I can now search with this ID instead of the title name. And the ID is going to make sure that you get to the exact lesson or page that you want. It's not going to populate anything except for this specific page, so I'd copy it. Then if I wanted to put it into my course, I would go Manage, Courses, search the course. Maybe I'll put it in. I don't actually need it in this course, but this will show you. You'll be in the lessons, make sure you do district, paste the ID, hit search. It doesn't say that I can find it because I have not X'd off of the top level. You need to make sure you X off of top level, then hit search again. There's my practice page. So if I want it in this unit, I need to click on the hand and drop the lesson. So the IDs of lessons give you the exact lesson that you are looking for.